Hi everybody, this is just a short video that if you get a validation error, so it would be something like this, like when you're in Create and it says validation error, please try again. If this error persists, please contact the site administrator. What's happening is that behind the scenes, you're getting logged out of Schoology, so therefore it doesn't know how to apply it. So you have to theoretically log back into Schoology. So what you need to do not go and do it first, because if I got out of this window right now, you would lose all of this work that you did, okay? So what you need to do is you need to select everything that's in your window. And to do that, I'm clicking and holding and dragging. See how it turns blue? And then I can either do one of two ways. I can either right click and say copy, or I can hit Control C on the keyboard. Then once I'm done with that, then you can cancel, and then you can open up the assignment again and hit submit, and you'll get your blank box again. So now you would click inside the box, and we can either right click and say paste, or I can hit Control V as in Victor. Then you should be able to submit with no problem. If you have any problems, just let me know.